find the sum of the series minus 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 15 and so on up to 141. So the first thing we need to do is think about what we know. We know that u1 is equal to negative 6. We can see that we are adding 7 on each time here. So this is an arithmetic series with d equal to 7. And we also know that the nth term is equal to 141. We don't know what n is, but we know that the nth term is equal to 141. So we know three things: u1, d, and un. And we're asked to find the sum of a series. Given that this is arithmetic, let's refer to our formulae for arithmetic series. Remember, there are two of these: n over 2 times u1 plus un, or n over 2 times 2u1 plus n minus 1 times by d. Now we have u1, un, and d, but we don't have n, and we need n for both of these. So the first thing we need to do is find n. Now this process of thinking, what do I have, what am I going to use, so what do I need to find out, is a good way of backwards planning how to solve these kinds of problems. Now most of this that I've written down here, I probably wouldn't write down in an exam. I see those things and I've got them in my head, but I wouldn't necessarily write them down. And the formulae are in the formulae booklet for you to refer to. But now let's think about how are we going to find n. Well, to find n we need another formula. We need the formula for un. un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 times by d. Using that, we can use un is 141. So 141 is equal to u1, which is minus 6, plus n minus 1 times by d, which we said was 7. We can solve this. 147 is equal to 7 times n minus 1. Divide by 7, 21 is equal to n minus 1, which means 22 is equal to n. Now we know that n is 22, we can substitute into either of these formulae. I'm going to use the first one, 22 over 2 times by u1, which is minus 6, plus un, which is 141, and evaluating that we get 1485. Notice that in this problem we had to do some work to get some information to use to put it into the formula that we needed. That's what makes this problem a little bit more tricky. You can't go there straight away. You need to calculate n before you can evaluate it. But that process of backwards thinking, what do I need to be able to solve this problem, will help you with problems like this, which are likely to appear in an exam.